With just weeks to go for the general election, several political leaders filed their nomination papers on Friday. In Delhi, Congress candidate and sitting MP Sandeep Dixit filed his nomination from the East Delhi Lok Sabha constituency. Flanked by hundreds of Congress workers, he exuded confidence of retaining his seat. His challenger in AAP, Rajmohan Gandhi, too filed his nomination, promising to address day-to-day problems faced by people. BJP's Delhi unit president Harshvardhan too filed his nomination from the Chandni Chowk parliamentary constituency. He will take on Union Minister and Congress leader Kapil Sibal. Another one of his opponents, AAP candidate from Chandni Chowk, Ashutosh, submitted his nomination papers, saying his fight is for the common man. The other nominees from Delhi included a new inductee in the BJP, Udit Raj. He filed his nomination from Northwest Delhi, vowing to expose the Aam Aadmi Party. AAP's Rakhi Birla, whose candidature had triggered protests in the party, filed a nomination from Northwest Delhi, stressing that her goal will be to develop her constituency. The New Delhi constituency is gearing up for a contest between BJP's Meenakshi Lekhi and sitting Congress MP Ajay Makhan in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, both of whom filed their nominations. They are in the fray with journalist-turned-politician AAP candidate Ashish Khetan. BJP's Pravesh Verma filed the nominations from West Delhi. In UP and nearby Ghaziabad, BJP's VK Singh and his challenger AAP's Shazia Ilmi filed their nominations. While Menaka Gandhi filed her nomination from Pilibhit, she said that she is fighting the election on the twin pole planks of development and corruption. The day was not devoid of violence. In Bihar, BJP workers beat up a group of men who were protesting against party leader Shatrughan Sinha. Protesters waved black flags as the former actor was going to file his papers as a candidate from the constituency of Patna Sahib in the capital of Bihar. They alleged that Mr. Sinha has not done enough for Patna Sahib, a constituency he has represented in the Lok Sabha since 2009. In Chandigarh, BJP's candidate Kiran Kher, who has faced vociferous opposition from within the party over her candidature, filed a nomination on the same day as her opponent in AAP, Gul Panag. In Madhya Pradesh, Union Minister and Congress leader Kamal Nath filed his nomination from Chhindwara. He hoped that, like in 2009, this time too, the mandate will be for him. In Chhattisgarh, Ajit Jogi filed his nomination from Mahasamund, and in Karnataka, one of the country's richest candidates, Nandan Nilekani, who declared assets of Rs 7,700 crore, filed his nomination from the Bangalore South Lok Sabha seat. He is testing the political waters for the first time in a Congress ticket against five-time BJP MP Anant Kumar. Bureau Report, DD News.